Good morning, dear students. I Vidyasagar, your SS teacher. Welcome you all in the e-learning class of Modern International School Hiswa. I am going to start subject history of standard 6, and this is chapter 4 in the earliest histories and lecture 4 on this topic. Dear students, we have discussed yesterday that how the Harappans they brought the different metals and the precious stones from the elsewhere, and as well as the other materials like the tin which was mixed up with the copper to produce the bronze, and it have been brought from present day Pakistan and Iran. It means the tins as well as the copper and bronze, this all was brought from Afghanistan and Iran. Wherever the gold that was coming out from the present day Karnataka, as we know that there is a gold field in Karnataka, that is Kolar. Okay, so it may be possible that they brought the gold from there, and the precious stones which might be from present day Gujarat, Iran and Afghanistan. So these were the few places from where they were just brought their precious stones and goldens, okay, things. Now food for the people of the cities. So as we know that the food that must be grown by the peoples who live in away from the cities, it means the rural areas people, they must be grown the food crops for the peoples of cities. Okay, like the people who were in the countryside, they grew the crops and reared the animals, and these farmers and herders they used to supply the food to craft person scribes rural in the cities. Like we knew that from the remain of the plants the Harappan grew the wheat, barley, pulse, pea, rice, sesame, linseed and mustard. So these were the things which were brought by the produced by the Harappans. As if you will know, new tool plow was to dig the earth and turning the soil and planting the seeds. Okay, while the plow it was made of from woods, and the toys that have been found in this as areas. Okay, and these toys basically these were known as terracotta toys. So basically in this region the rainfall was not much. Okay, so the different form of irrigation was used there. Okay, like they used to store the water and further supply to the fields. The Harappans they also reared the cattle, sheep, buffalo, and water and pastures were available around the settlements. However, whenever these pasture and settlements used to be vanished, then they used to move away. Okay, further for the collection of fruits, they also used to count the fish and hunt the wild animals like the antelope. Now, the closer look Harappan's towns in Gujarat. As we know, the city of Dhaulavira, okay, that was located in Khadir Bed in Ran of Kutch, which was in Gujarat, where there were the fresh water available. Okay, as well as the fresh water and fertile soil was found there. As you can say that Dholavira basically it was divided into three parts. Each part was surrounded with massive stone walls. See, it means the security was also prevailing there, and that's why it was bounded by the walls, as well as there was the open area where the public ceremonies used to be held there, and others they also find the large letters of the Harappan script that was carved out with the white stone and inlaid in wood. That's why the Harappans find generally Harappan writing that has been found on small objects such as seals. As I told you that what is seal? Seal are the such objects which on which the different type of inscription was marked there, and it was for some of the authentication of a particular things. Okay, some of the city that was Lothal, that was on the tributary of Sabarmati in Gujarat, as Lothal was considered as dockyard. Okay, and behind the Lothal, the many of things were loading and unloaded from there, as well as the raw materials such as semi-precious stones were easily available there. So this was the important center for making the objects out of stone, shells and metals, as well as there were also the storehouse in the city. Many seal and ceilings on the clay was found in the storehouse. As these storehouse was founded there, and further what we can know here that as the dockyard was there, so things was loading and unloading was done there, and that's why a storehouse was also there, so that the goods that was unloaded from there, that was kept there, and the goods which is to be loading there, that was also kept there. So the city, you can say that a type of hinterland was developed there. Okay, students, read the paragraph and keep watching. Thank you.